I think there is intense competition at the moment to hire the most talented and most intellectually able people. There was a time when I think companies had many of the advantages in the world, that it was the company's world, it was the boss's world. Now I think the reverse is the case. We have a shortage of talent both within countries and between countries. You have an intense battle between companies trying to hire the most talented workers, and also between countries which are looking to recruit talented young people, talented young immigrants. We have this sense of immigrants as being things that countries are battling to keep out, and immigrants trying to get in and climb over walls. I think the opposite is in fact the case. At the top end, that countries are trying to woo bright young people to get them to go to the universities and get them to become immigrants. So on many, many levels, talent is at a premium. There's a shortage of talent, and so countries, companies, all sorts of organizations, of course voluntary organizations as well, are competing to hire the best and the brightest. You know, we have a baby boom population aging. We have an economy which is becoming more sophisticated, and so for all sorts of reasons, talent is at a premium.